In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Shopify. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To start off, you want to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it, as having a clear picture of where everything is can be really helpful. Now that you're on your home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a menu with various options. What we're interested in today is the Marketing tab. Go ahead and click on that. Selecting the Marketing section brings you to the hub from where you can manage all of your marketing needs. Shopify has done a great job organizing this section to ensure you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Within this area, you have options for setting up your email campaigns, launching social media promotions, and more. The next step is to create your campaign. It's as simple as looking for the Create Campaign button. It should be right in front of you once you're on the marketing page. Click on that, and a new window will pop up, leading you through the BA process. This is where the magic begins. Here, you'll be deciding the type of campaign you want to run. Shopify supports many options, whether it's an email campaign to reach out directly to your subscribers, or a social media campaign designed to attract a wider audience. You'll also want to take into consideration the specific goals of this campaign. It's crucial to clearly define what you want to achieve with this campaign. Is your primary aim to boost sales, increase brand awareness, or maybe promote a new product? Defining your goals will help you tailor the campaign to meet your exact needs. Once you've pinpointed your objectives, you can choose the best strategy and format to execute your campaign. Shopify provides a variety of templates and guides to help you along the way, ensuring you have the tools you need to create a compelling and effective marketing push. Remember, the strategy you choose here should reflect the overall message and branding of your business. Be sure to align the color schemes, fonts, and style with what's consistent for your brand. This makes your campaign not only effective, but also visually cohesive, which is important for recognition and professionalism. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, you're just a step away from launching your campaign. Double-check all the details, make sure everything is in place, and when you're ready, hit the Publish or Launch button. Congratulations, your campaign is now live. Keep an eye on the analytics that Shopify provides, so you can measure how well your campaign is performing and make any necessary adjustments going forward. And there you have it. Creating a campaign in Shopify doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you can strategically grow your business and reach more customers effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy campaigning!